when I reached about 18, I went to university at Liverpool, and because I read geology and geography, and because I'd done no geology at school, I had to choose two intro subjects, which I took was mathematics and oceanography only for 1 year. So I got more information there on tides, tidal flows, to add to what John Gorn had taught me. And the whole community, I guess, was marine orientated. There were loads of herring boats in, kipper houses in Port St Mary, lots of stories, and basically where you have the sea, I guess you have, as I was told when I was a kiddywink, that the sea and fire are much the same. There's the good side and the bad side, so you have to be careful, and that's was pretty evident because the fishermen and old John Gorn and various other characters that have been to sea explained about disasters that had occurred, from the Brig Lily explosions, boats being swamped, and so on. So that's where it kind of all started.